Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments on your post. So first of all, we will go into the Facebook mobile application here, and after that on the post I can just post let me just show you an example. If I write here, and we have to select in the place of friends, you have to select public, right? Then you have to unlock if you have a profile lock. Okay, now just click on the unlock and you have to unlock your profile here and just wait for a few seconds. Now here you can select the public. Okay, and after that you can just post it, right? So after posting it, you can see here post, just let me, and on the three dots which is on top right side corner, you have to go there and you have to click on the edit privacy. So you can see here, if you want to turn this on public, you can do it from here, and we will go back. And after that you can see here below the edit, you can see there is a one more icon which say who can comment on your post. So here you can select who can comment, public or friends established or friends and profile and messages, right? So this is, you can do it from here. Now you have to click on profile and pages you mention, and just click on this and you have to click done. So you have not tagged anyone, so here nobody will come to know, nobody will can comment on your post, right? So this is very easy guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.